We are Octorara's manufacturing team, here to tell you what's so cool about manufacturing.
Wait, what is so cool about manufacturing? It can't be that important. Wouldn't the world just be the same?
It wouldn't be much of a world at all. If you look around at a lot of the different, anything that you can see in rooms or buildings, everything that you look at has gone through some sort of manufacturing process.
Oh, okay. Wait, restart.
In a world full of manufacturing, from the tallest skyscrapers to the smallest nanochips, manufacturing is constantly around us. Manufacturing is also a necessity in this world because it drives economic growth and improves the qualities of life.
Manufacturing is also an on-the-job training program, which helps people who cannot afford college or are just better at working hands-on. Many of the employees at AirZen enjoy the aspect and process of working this way. We are here today with AirZen USA to grasp a deeper understanding of what is really so cool about manufacturing.
Welcome to AirZen.
AirZen USA is a manufacturing facility that quite literally breaks the wall between the floor workers and the office workers through a big window seen in the video before.
AirZen specifically, though, our equipment gets used for everything from making clean drinking water to cars, concrete, food like Pepperidge Farm and Chobani yogurts, things like that. So there wouldn't be a lot of things in the world without our equipment.
Although they focused on wastewater treatment, their main focus is safety. As seen all throughout the facility, there are safety signs everywhere and even safe rooms and safety supplies spread throughout the building.
If we can't do it safely, we don't do it at all.
AirZen USA is also all about reducing, reusing, and recycling. For example, all of the insulation for the building is made out of recycled straw, as seen when you walk through the front doors.
Another example is that if you want to return a product, they will take it and fix it and replace yours ASAP. After your old one is fixed, they use it in another order. This saves them a lot of time, money, and they recycle.
They also use a lot of natural light from the windows, making it super bright while they're using little to no power. AirZen really makes what's so cool about manufacturing clear to everyone.